Hello, Alex's EDC Army, and welcome to Alex's Knives and Such, where the such stands for EDC gear. Today we have limited time only Cheez-It baked snack crackers, Wendy's Baconator flavor. You can scan this one for a special offer. Pause to read the ingredient label and nutrition facts. I want to open this and get back to you. I'm going to show you the chip. It got a curved chip. Let me sniff it. That is very good. Limited edition Cheez-It Wendy's Baconator Cheez-Its. Really good. On the low side, I give it a 9.3, and on the high side, a 9.7. It is good, but it's not perfect. But it is very good. If you find these, you should get them because they're limited time only. Can you tell? Limited time only. Try them. They're worth a try. They're good. And knife in the video is Cold Steel Range Boss. Yay! Like, comment, share, subscribe, even dislike. Have a great day. Be safe. Subscribe to my channel for more to come. Enjoy the hobby. Hopefully get something good. Decent click what you like. Be safe. Let me know what you think of these Cheez-Its and the knife in the comment section below. Look out for the guy girl to your left. Look out for the guy girl to your right. Hashtag be up. Hashtag DSKFS. Choose love, not hate. Enjoy your friends, your family, your pets. Yummy food, your music, your video games. Yummy food like these Wendy's Cheez-It Baconator Cheez-Its. And remember to use your sharp blades. Bye.